Today, God willing, I will explain how to change the language of the PayPal app. I received screenshots automatically from someone here who wanted to change the language of the PayPal app. Their current language is German, but due to confusion with the language, they want to change it to English. I checked and found it set up like this. First, I should mention that to change PayPal to Arabic is not possible because the available languages are only German and English. Some European languages are available, but Arabic is not currently an option. I told them to use the option they have to change the language. You can change it from German to English. Here's how to do it via the PayPal app on Android phones. There is no option to change the language within the app itself. I will check the options available on my PayPal Android app. I'll open the menu here. I searched for a language change option, but it's not there. Meaning you cannot change the PayPal app language from within the app. Instead, you change it through the phone's settings. So I'll exit the app and open the phone's settings. I'll pull down the control panel and tap the settings icon, shown here at the top left. Tapping settings brings up many options. I'll scroll to the bottom. I'll look for the option called Apps, which is for managing phone apps. I tap it. All installed apps appear. I then find the PayPal app and tap its name. The app's info panel opens. Under Settings, I have several options. One is Default Apps. Unfortunately, there is an option labeled Language. The current language in the app here is German. To change the app's language from German to English, I tap on the Language option. I select Language again, then tap on my preferred language. I select German, then choose English. I tick the box here. Currently, it's German. I untick German and tick English. I confirm English. After changing the language to English, we make sure English is selected. We will see the app language has changed from German to English and can switch back from English to German. This is basically how to change the app language of the PayPal app. That's all for this video. God willing, see you in the next video. Peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.